Hello guys, how are you all? Sorry the video got a little late. I'm getting a lot of DMs from many people asking, bro, how do you make a character hologram? So today's video topic will be how to make character hologram. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Gear application, then click on the three lines, tap on Manage Containers, and create a new container. After creating it, edit the container. After editing, go back and click on the three dots and run Gear. Now you'll see an interface like this. I'll give you a 32-bit file. Open it, then double-click on Assets Bundle, and an icon will open. Now click on File and open a new window. After that, go to My Computer, D Drive, and where your optional file is located, double-tap on it and save the file there. After saving, click on Info. After clicking Info, open the path that I provided using MT Manager or Zarchiver. Then you have to find that path ID. After finding the number, select it and click on Import Dump. Then go to My Computer, D Drive, and select your coding. Now for the number you selected, you'll see a start mark there. One by one, follow the same path and start marking all of them. After that, save your file. Once saved, again click on File and compress the hack file you created. Now the Gear work is done. Next, open Hex Editor. open the original optional file, scroll to the very bottom, and where you see the highlighted number, click on it and copy that value. After copying, open the compressed file you created, tap Anywhere, and paste the value you copied. Now your character hologram hack is ready. Just copy the name of the original optional file and rename the hack file with the same name. After that, open Free Fire download the character pack, then paste your hack file. See, the hack is fully working.